In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean silver. I have really found a very nice shortcut and quick method of cleaning. So just watch this video and you'll be really happy to discover how magical this can be.
As you can see, we have a tarnished chain and we have a clean, nice, sparkly chain. So we are going to turn this into this. Take any toothpaste. I would prefer this deep whitening Colgate because it has got a baking soda included in it. And just put it directly on the piece that you would want to clean, like so. And give it a nice rub and try to clean it. Whether this is a pendant, earring, anything in silver, this is the same way how you would clean it. And think of it in that way. How do you clean your own teeth if it turns out yellow? You would like to clean it with toothpaste, right? And you can use the similar formula for cleaning your silver as well. Silver tarnishes due to the environment, the salt in the air, and sometimes even body sweat. So whatever be the reasons, like everything else, it also needs a little bit of maintenance, and I'm sure you can make time to clean your silver jewelry once in 6 months at least. After you have rubbed very well, and if you feel that it's cleaned enough, you can just go ahead and wash it normally. Very, very easy, really. And it has just taken me a few minutes. And there it is. You can see it is shiny and nice. Just wipe it off with tissue or any clean cloth. I'm just doing this in my kitchen. It is as simple as this. You don't need any devices. You don't need anything. That's our clean silver chain. It's sparkly and it's nice and beautiful. And that was our original new silver chain. You can see it looks absolutely new, stunning and shiny again. I hope this video was helpful. Do share it with your friends and family so that they can benefit too. And stay connected to Nafisa Designs.